The chef.
Good day, guys.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Ano pa?
You're the customer.
Kayanin muna ng lang.
Ay, nak.
You're the customer. You're the customer. You're the customer.
Can I have one?
Two.
No, no, no. Say
Dubai.
hi to the customer. What can we get started with?
Akala ko yung customer.
Fish
No,
statue.
yung order.
Chocolate.
I am the customer.
Okay. Anong sabihin?
Kuha ng kapatid.
Say hi.
May pag-ibig.
Say hi to the
Sarap.
customer. What can we get started with?
Hi customer, what can I get you to start?
Chewy,
Can you
crunchy,
give me noodles?
delicious.
What noodles?
Sarap.
Say, whole, no,
Pancit beef. Fried?
no fried. I want fried noodle.
Fried noodles. Small, medium, or large?
Large.
Large. Okay.
So extra large.
Extra large. What else, customer?
Some noodle.
Noodle soup. Ano?
Plain noodle soup.
What noodle soup?
Salamat sa Diyos.
Plain noodle soup. Okay. And then, what else?
On the,
Tara na.
I want